Good morning, children. Today we are here again with a new story for Shantiniketan. This is a story about two birds, two friends, and let us see what they are doing. It's a bright sunny day, a beautiful day when Parrot is flying around happily. He's flying around here and there, and even the crow.
Caw, 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 caw. Hi dear Parrot, how are you?
I'm fine, crow. Meetu, 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 meetu.
Caw, caw. Where are you going, dear?
I'm going to a garden to have some sweet fruits.
Oh wow, can I join you?
Come on.
Okay, let's go. Caw, 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 caw.
Meetu, meetu.
Caw, caw, caw. Ooh. Wow, such a yummy mango, Parrot.
Yes, I'm going to have it now.
Oh, you'll share with me?
No, I got it. I will not share with you.
It's looking very yummy. Even I want to eat. Please share with me.
No, I got this mango. I will not share with you.
Oh, it's okay.
The crow is very sad and he's thinking of some idea to teach a lesson to the parrot. Parrot was not in a mood to share his mango. He was eating it all by himself. So the crow came up with an idea. He found a balloon and now he's going near to the parrot. He blew that balloon.
Mango. Yes, see, mango is with me.
Me too. Please give me my mango back.
No, I'm not going to share you.
I am your good friend. Please share with me.
But this mango is with me right now, so I'm not going to share with you.
Oh, I'm sorry, crow, my dear friend.
It's okay, Parrot. Come, we'll eat this mango together. We are good friends. Yes, and sharing is caring.
Yes, sharing is caring. Thank you so much, my dear friend crow.
Welcome, Parrot.
So the crow and the parrot shared that mango. They enjoyed and flew back home. Thank you.